In 2021, YouTube launched the YouTube Shorts Fund. This $100 million fund was meant to last until 2023 to reward creators for creating original short content. All that will end when the short funds winds down early next year. From next year, all current and future YPP creators will be eligible to earn revenue from ads viewed between shorts and short feeds. This will be a better deal for creators on TikTok to switch over to YouTube. In fact, YouTube is the only social media platform that can sustain a full-time creator on its platform without depending on other sources of revenue. It is now official. YouTube has announced that it now offers 10 ways for creators to earn money on YouTube, and also introducing a variety of eligibility thresholds for joining the YouTube Partner Program. So if you're finding it difficult to reach the 4,000 watch time hours, now there's another option to joining the YouTube Partner Program. Hello guys, welcome back. It's your Tech Informant here. If you're new to this channel, I do share tips and make tutorials for content creators, so subscribe to get more of this on your feed. If you reach the 1,000 subscribers threshold and struggle with the 4,000 public watch time hours, which in my own opinion is the harder part, you have another option to join the YPP by getting 10 million short views in 90 days on your channel. Let me know in the comment section which one is more challenging. Is it the 4,000 watch time hours in 12 months or the 10 million short views in 90 days? I reserve my comment, but you can share yours in the comments. In addition to that, YouTube is dropping the threshold for YPP creators to access fan funding such as super thanks, super chats, super stickers, and channel membership. All these new eligibility thresholds for fan funding will apply to long-form videos, live stream, and short content. They also said that there won't be any change to the existing eligibility criteria for joining the YouTube Partner Program. Other updates in this announcement includes a new way of using commercial music in your videos. This update says that when Creator Music, which is a catalog of music tracks, is ready for use, you can use commercial music in your videos and still earn revenue. At the same time, the giving artists and music right holders will also earn. There will be two options to choose from when you want to use any of the music tracks. The first option is to buy a license. This option allows you to buy the license of the music track you want to use on your video and still maintain the revenue from the video without any content ID claim or copyright takedown. Second option is the revenue share. With this option, you don't have to pay any money for the music track or buy any license, but you will share the video's revenue with the track's artists and the associated music rights holders, which probably means the copyright owners. In my own opinion, this might be a big blow to royalty-free music sites like Epidemic Sound. Although I might be wrong, but let's see when the service rolls out in YouTube Studio next year, then we know better. Which of these updates do you think will favor your channel? As for my own channel, I think the Creators Music Library will be my favorite. So let me know your thoughts about the new threshold and the short monetization in the comment section. So don't forget to give this video a like. Thanks for watching. See you soon.